Wepa! Alright guys, the HVAC Papi here. Guys, we're in the attic, baby, and it's hot, it's sweltering. But guys, the job gotta get done. So part of the process of installing a central AC system is not just only looking at the central AC system itself. That's definitely the core of the issue. But the other issue is you have leaks. I cannot stress enough and tell you that how many people have leaks in their attics, meaning like the duct leaks. So this is a duct right here, you guys can see. And guys, you got to pay attention to detail. I say that because it makes a huge difference. Listen, if it's not sealed correctly and they're losing all the air, who wants to cool down the attic? Nobody hangs out in the attic, at least I don't. But guys, this is very important. So you guys can see all this attic, well, all this duct here in the attic. So guys, I want to show you a demonstration. So right here, we're using actually a duct sealant. It looks something like this, but I'm gonna show you the stuff we use. They call it mastic cement, or they call it just duct seal. And basically what it is to cover up all the leaks, the crevices, the little cracks, the crannies, the seams, because usually they leak at the seams. So everybody has a way of doing things. I have my way of doing it. So I told the guys, listen, I want you to not only put all that duct sealant around the creases and also all the seams, but when it dries, and then we're gonna put aluminum tape so you can grab, and then we put another layer of actually duct sealing. So guys, basically kind of like think of it like a pancake. You're pancaking it together. So right now we had a couple of leaks, and I can tell you right now, we had a couple of big leaks here. We have a bigger leak over here. We had to cover it up just with aluminum tape. It was a big, I don't say crack. There was a big seam that was separated, so we drill it together, then we put aluminum tape, we're good to go, and of course we put some sealant. Guys, I'm telling you, think of your house as a Yeti cup, that expensive ass mug that you say, damn, why is it $50? Because you want to make sure that it conserves all that energy inside, whether it's hot or cold. Same concept, right? Well, you want to think of the same way in your house. The tighter the ducts are, meaning there's no leaks, so you're basically absorbing or taking out all that heat energy, displacing outside, and you got cool air going into your system, into your space, in this case your home. And guys, and that's going to make the unit work less. It's more efficient. The life expectancy is going to be a lot longer. And guys, this is what it takes to be efficient. So guys, don't only look at the system, look at your ducts. Oh, if you have any other questions, go always ask Louie the Boiler Man. Hey, 516-377-5200. Wepa! Hey, it's Louie the Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, it's la caliente. Louie the Boiler Man is here to cool me, gente. It's hot outside, it's gonna get hotter. On New York border, we'll cool your casa. 516-377-5200.